Hello everyone, thanks for coming by today. Today we have got the eye exercise updates for 2025 for Exercise Along With Me Series 5. Now this exercise is actually what started my eyes opening. Okay, they weren't really drooping when I first started Facerobics, but they really opened them up. And for the time that I have been doing Facerobics, it's about 12 years now, you know, my eyes are still very open, my eyes are still very lifted, and I'm thrilled with the results. And I do laugh when people say, oh, will this work for me? You know, has this worked for you? I mean, I think people are not understanding that I am actually 64, and that by doing Facerobics all these years, that it really has kept my face looking young and staved back the aging process. And although that facial exercises don't stop the aging process, because I still have lots of wrinkles around here, and I have lost a bit of weight, so I have started jowling a lot more. You might not be able to see it, but there are some sort of jowl dehydration wrinkles around here as well now. But hey, you know, I'm happy with who I am, and I'm still happy with the way that I present. So, you know, it's just, I think Facerobics, what it's done for me is, I think it's helped me just accept myself and help me understand that I do have control of my aging process. That things do happen, things happen to our body and things happen like that. But, you know, I think Facerobics has given me control to my own process. So that's what it's done. Anyway, that's an aside. I'm so sorry. I hope that this has done it for you too, but we're talking about the eye exercise. Now, with this exercise, what we do is we put our fingers in a C position like this, right? So when we place it, it's really interesting because your fingers should fit perfectly and nestle perfectly into the eye socket. Okay, so we put the knuckles, this part here, so we see this part here, they nestle into the eye socket very comfortably. We then curl our fingers just to under the brow, just to under the brow. We press and we pull the brow, the middle part apart, ever so gently, and then we rest our thumbs on our cheeks. Now, we need to pull this apart a little bit and press so we know we're not frowning that area when we're doing the exercise. And that's why I do ask you to look in the mirror every now and then to see that you're not developing bad habits. So we do that, and we press firmly, okay? And then we close our eyes, okay? Now this is a really good exercise. Now you can do it firmly. Don't do it to the point of extinction, but you can see I am squeezing, you know, quite firmly. And as you squeeze, hold up this part of the eyebrow. So as you're squeezing, just bring them up a little bit, bring up your fingers a bit, and then squeeze. Now, if you bring up your fingers too much, you will start feeling this part here squeezing a bit too much and will start stretching. We don't want that. We just want that fine little balance where, so we'll pop them in again, and we're positioned. We just lift our fingers up a little bit. So I'm pushing up. You can see I'm just ever so slightly pushing up and out, and then I'm closing my eyes. Okay? And I'm actually squeezing my eyes this time. In the first exercise, you just close them like this, but in this, you can squeeze them. And as I say, you should hear a vibration in your ears. And you can go ahead, as I said, and just push up a little bit when you're doing that. Now look at my eyes. Look how much they've opened up. I just got to look. That's quite amazing, that exercise. And I really love it. And it does really make your eyes pop. And it does make your eyes look much younger as well. The other thing about when you push up a little bit, it gives you the cat eye look as well. It can sort of produce that look as well if you just keep, you know, doing the exercises and working with it the way that I prescribe the exercises. It's a very beautiful exercise, and I really do love doing it, to be honest with you. And you work it out. You work out this little part here and pushing it back with your knuckles and holding it back, and you'll feel what it feels like, and you'll know if it's too much. It might sting a little bit. It might be stretching a bit. You'll know, just back off a bit. Just drop your hands down a little bit, and then just work with it. You'll work it out. All right, guys, that's really good. So thank you so much for watching today. Please do make a comment in the comment box. Please do like my video as well, because that really helps if you like the videos. And I'd really ask you, if you would like to subscribe to the videos, because it gives you a lot of information about how to do the program, how to follow the program, and it gives you free information on how to do that if you don't want to join. But on the thing about joining the gym, the link is going across the video at the moment. I am going to be putting the prices up soon. It's not going up much. So anybody who joins, when the price goes up, you'll only go up half price. It won't go up the full price, because all members, current members, do get only half price when it goes up. They're not paying full, because some of the members have been with me for years, and it's my way of giving back to them and not sort of, you know, taking all their money, because you know, companies do that and I don't like it. So that's basically what I'm doing. So if you'd like to join now, here's the link I say going across the video. Go ahead and join, and that will happen for you. Also, please do subscribe to the channel, because when you do, you get all these updates, as I said. And look, you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.